the lovely land of Grilltopia comes a beautiful, talented singer called Poor Girl. Many others gather to see her perform WAP later this evening. Lovely people take nice strolls with their parasols out, awaiting this great occasion that only happens once a millennium. Here, Poor Girl awaits everyone's arrival. Poor Girl's performing. I'm so excited. I know, right? Same. Attention, attention. Gather around. We'll be starting short. Ahem. I said certified freak. 7 days a week. Wet ass pussy. Make that pull-out game work. Yeah. Get a bucket and a mop for this wet ass pussy. Wop, wop.